Part 2 of 2. 5 questions on reciprocal rank fusion. 15 seconds each. Pause if you want longer. What happens to a document that appears in only one of the lists? It's scored from that one appearance, and it can absolutely still win. Nothing is discarded or penalized. It just doesn't get the consensus bonus. A document sitting at rank 1 in keyword search and invisible to vector search stays in contention, which matters, because that's often exactly what an exact product code match looks like. What is the most underrated practical advantage of RRF? There's nothing to tune. No weights to learn, no training data to collect, no thresholds to calibrate, and nothing that breaks when you swap out your embedding model 6 months from now. Compare that with learning to rank, which needs labeled data and retraining and someone who owns it. RRF is a few lines of code that keeps working while you're not looking. Where does RRF sit relative to a cross-encoder re-ranker? They compose rather than compete. RRF combines opinions arithmetically. It never reads a single word of your documents. A cross-encoder forms its own opinion by genuinely reading the query and the document together. So the natural pipeline is, search several ways, fuse those lists with RRF, then re-rank the top of the fused list properly. Cheap and wide, then expensive and narrow. What's a genuine limitation of RRF? It throws away real information. Position is robust exactly because it's coarse, but that coarseness has a cost. If one document scored dramatically higher than everything beneath it in vector search, that gap is telling you something, and RRF sees only rank 1. Most of the time the robustness is worth more than the detail. Not always, and it's worth knowing which trade you made. What's the one-line lesson of RRF? Position survives translation between systems in a way scores never do. That one observation is the entire idea, and it's the kind that looks obvious afterwards and takes real insight beforehand. Stop trying to force incompatible scores onto a common scale, use the one thing every ranked list genuinely shares, and combining search systems stops being a research problem. That's 12. RRF is one formula and the reasoning behind it, so a short quiz is an honest quiz. The full episode is linked below, along with the rest of the retrieval series. See you in the next one.